So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power share. So we know that since 2 days, we are seeing a little correction in Adani Power. So when it has crossed the 100 rupees level and when it has approached 106, from there we have seen considerable retracement since 2 days, and you can see current market price is near 94 rupees. So obviously the stock has given a huge rally in just a span of 1 month, 2 months. It has given heavy returns. It is obvious that operators also try to book the profit, and we know that yesterday an update has been released by Adani Power in BSE website. So we'll download that particular update and we'll see what are the major things. I also uploaded that particular PDF in Telegram as well. So if you have not joined the Telegram, definitely join that. And you can see already yesterday also I clearly mentioned in the Telegram that don't try to buy in heavy quantities. Obviously when it is at high levels, whenever correction happens, because ultimately people who are buying at high levels, so they will only be in loss. So clearly I told buy in small quantities, because when correction happens again you can put some small quantities and you can average. Okay, so further if you're having any doubt, you can message me in Instagram as well. So Instagram ID is StocksDiaryYT. So there you can clarify all your doubts. So now let's discuss about the update and then we'll go to the technical charts to find out what will be the next possible levels. Okay, so we know that Adani Power, since this particular month, especially in March, we know that it has already given 93% returns. You can imagine even the month is not completed. You can imagine just in March month it has given almost 93% return. So if we go to the update which was released yesterday, it was telling that, it was clarifying that the movement that we have seen in Adani Power, that is we have seen huge rally, right? So it has given clarification to the SEBI that you can see it is only seems market driven. So it is told that it is only market driven. Obviously whenever any stock is showing continuous rally, SEBI also tries to monitor that, and after that we know that stock tries to correct little bit, because the operators also start booking little profit, so little bit of correction will be seen. So that's why since past 2 days we are seeing little drop in Adani Power. So that may be one of the reason. What is the second reason? We know that market also is in little volatile situation. So today we have seen little positive movement, even then the stock is not able to enter into the positive zone because of this update which has been released, because it has given huge rally. So ultimately it has given clarification that it is market driven. So operators are trying to book small profits. So what will be the next immediate support? So that also we'll discuss. So try to watch the video till the end. So let's now see the volume analysis so that it will give us further idea regarding Adani Power. Okay, so if we see the volume analysis, so clearly we can see on 25th March we have seen the traded quantity has increased, because when the stock is correcting, so definitely so heavy fluctuation will be seen from positive region to negative region. So ultimately traded quantity increases, but you can also see that the blue color bars which indicate the delivery, so they are also increasing. So whenever correction is happening, again some buying is seen in this particular stock, which is suggesting that there are few levels from where again it might try to retrace. So we'll find out that. So basically in volume analysis, so clearly we are seeing as the traded volume is also increasing, but in the same way little deliveries are also being added. Okay, so next coming to the indicators. So we basically use two indicators. So what are those? So one is RSI, which is relative strength index, and another one is MFI, which is money flow index. So money flow index, basically we know it is already in overbought region. So 70 above is basically called overbought and 20 below is called oversold. So this particular stock, we know continuous rally was seen, so definitely the stock will also approach overbought region. So that's why you can see it is near 81. So earlier it was almost in 90-94 region. So now it has come down to 81 because of 2 days of fall which we have seen recently. So that is obvious. So little stock is in overbought region. So that's why the correction and also the market condition is all the reasons which made the stock correct almost 2 days, and also the update which we have discussed in the BSC. Okay, so returns also clearly you can see 1 week it has reported almost 6% returns. 1 month you can see 67. 3 months already have discussed 97. You can see 6 months again it has given 157. 1 year it has given 230.65. 3 years 291% returns. So quickly let's go to technical charts. We'll see what are the next possible supports as well as resistances. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 day chart of Adani Power, and you can see it is near 94.35 and it is down almost 4.79%. So you can see when it has started retracing from 110, 109. So from those particular regions when it has started retracing, so you can see it was taking support near this particular level. Let me draw it clearly. So you can see 100 was the very crucial level. So yesterday also I told keep an eye on that particular level, especially who have messaged me in Instagram. So if it is trying to break that, so that time only I told in Telegram also try to book partial profit, and if you are willing to add, try to add in small quantities because risk is present. So that's why I told to add in small portions. So correction is obvious. So we know that the 2 days which we have seen correction is mainly, we know that market also was in little downtrend, and this stock has also given huge run up. So you can see the rally also from where it has started until where it has gone. So next immediate support you can clearly see that is near 90 rupees. So this is going to be very important. So today it is near 94. So if it breaks that 90, then definitely you need to think twice before you're adding in any such quantities into your portfolio. So I may suggest you can wait little bit, or if it is retracing from 90, then you can try to add in small portions. So that would be little best. Okay, so this is in 1 day chart. So basically if you see in 1 week chart also same thing, you can see a pivot support is present near 89.32. So roughly you can take 90 rupees, and you can see how the wick has been formed in 1 week chart. So that is called selling from the top. Some external factors, mainly because of the market driven movement what they actually mentioned in the update, and now little bit of profit booking which is seen by the operators. So that has made a little concern for this stock. So we know that earlier also it has formed this, but next immediate week we have seen the buying. Okay, so these are common. So I told definitely try to invest in small quantities. So make sure you watch the support, especially 90 rupees and same level near 89 and 90. So try to watch that. So if it sustains that, then only try to invest. And people who are holding from low levels with heavy quantities, so try to book partial profits. Rest of all you can hold it. So don't completely exit. So partial profit booking is also very essential. Okay, so these are the important levels. So after that immediate resistance would be 100 rupees. So if it crosses 100, after that 105 would be the next immediate resistance. So these are going to be the levels that we can watch for the coming weeks as well. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in Instagram as well, and even in the comment section. I'm replying to each and everything, because when you clarify your doubts, then only you will be having the confidence. Okay, so make sure you keep money flow index also, so that it will give you idea whether the stock is in overbought or in oversold region. So until then, take care. Bye bye.